And now an important message from Uncle Al. I'll catch you later, boys and girls. This is Journey. Okay, boys and girls, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. Now, I have a few people or trolls caught mental abuse, but Uncle Al's been fed up, been a year and a half. So, Uncle Al's also tired. We have 4 months left, and December 27th is coming up really quick, 2019. Now, before that event occurs, we're going to have several things. We're going to have a lot of localized SHTFs, anything from accidents, mass shootings, crime wave, you name it. We know all the answers for that one. But I won't say it because they're trying to get Trump out of office in their little minds. Go for it. Okay? This is important. They're going to be, right now, why everybody's panicking and running around for Hurricane Dorian. You should have been prepared 3, 4, 6 months ago. But instead, you party, drink beer, work down your tan, and just say, we got life to live, Uncle Al. Fine, I'll pay for it. Now, a lot of you kids did not live through Hurricane Andrew. Okay, that was back in the 90s. I won't say it, but a lot of you kids don't remember that when it hit Homestead. That was a Cat 4, almost a 5, a 4, and a flattened houses. Those people that thought, oh, we got our house, it's newly built, wasn't up to code, and it got flattened, and a lot of people died. A lot of things was wiped off around Homestead. They're still recovering from that. Now, if it's a 4 or really a 5 or 6, most of Florida will be gone. And you should have been in your car heading out of Florida. Now, what's worse is it might hit Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina as a 2, 1 or 2, or 3. Trouble is, the water around the coast of Florida is 90 degrees. Now, a lot of kids joking, it's going to be like Sharknado. This is real life, and it's a lot worse. Now, that was just some of the local SHTFs. There's plenty more coming up. A lot of you are not prepared. That's fine. Uncle Alan's only doing 925 more videos, and I'm going to book. Okay? A lot of you fail to understand what I've been saying for a year and a half. And a lot of you are watching my older videos. Good for you. But not enough. Don't matter. I figured out less than 0.001% of people watching my channel will survive. Everybody else don't know about me, don't care, or is going to, okay, can't be helped because you're stupid. So for that word, kids, I know a lot of you are mentally challenged and also can't handle real life. You're trapped in a little bubble. Little tiny bubble. Okay, so I have to talk to you very quietly and slow and explain things for you. Good coffee. Now you should go back and watch my previous one. Sorry, it's a lot of cursing at that one. But I got 71, but I really checked it. It's actually 65. The rest of those are me. 6 times I checked. Now this is a new one. And this is what most of the gun tactical so-called survival magazines looking at. Okay? And a lot of liberals try to look like this, which is a bunch of hooey. Now, I do read those for information scanning and find out what's wrong, where they goofed up, and also if I find 1 or 2 choice phrases, stories, or whatever. Sometimes they get it right. Most of the time get it wrong. It's about 60-40. one I really like, I know Wayne of West Wind Survival really likes, and several other people, they buy Backwood, um, yeah, it's Backwoodsman. One of the better magazines comes out quarterly, quarterly, every 2 months. So Steve, a Corsair trainer, should read this. I put this up. Okay, more talking about the 24 months. You should have started putting away stuff for enough for 4 people. And September is instant mashed potatoes. You could buy it in bulk at a box store, restaurant supply, or bigger. All right. Find your local restaurant, see where they get their food from. Okay, a lot of people don't have that clue. Tyler does. Let's talk about prepping. That's Tyler's channel. Go check that out. All right, I'm doing September. I don't have an example, so you're out of luck. Again, 12 gallons, 3 days, 4 people. Okay, or 12 gallons equals 3 days for 1 person. And don't forget West Wind Survival. A lot of people are experiencing shortages. The shelves are empty, the tanks are empty, gas stations are empty, people are running amok. Okay, and that's Florida. Now, if you were smart and listen to Uncle Al, you will get out of there now. Georgia, you should have everything ready and make plans to book out of Georgia. South Carolina, North Carolina, anything on that coast. All right, the waters are 90 degrees. That's really warm, kids. Well, Patriot, Modern Refugees, I'm working. I got a lot of things on my list and a lot of things on Bill and AKKFAB. Please check out my friends Corsair Trainer, GM Survival, Happy Camper. They're working hard. Please help out Happy Camper and GM Survival. Check out their about page. They should have caught up. Okay. And then Just in Time Prepping with Will Russell tonight at 8 o'clock this evening. And he does another channel Monday through Friday. See local time. And he does live streams on Monday and Friday. And his other channel, I forgot the name of it. I think it's Just in Time Networking. So please check that out. I'm trying to keep this short. Uncle Alan's tired. Please check out these people. Okay. And these people. Especially Angry Pirate News. And Kale, that's Enoch. And Bitty Boo Homestead Decor and More. That's Dana. Do your research, Dana. And finally, Palmetto Prepare. Let's talk about prepping. Cheryl Hirsch, DIY Fun. Please send her cash. Lots of cash. David Lynn. Go check out his channel. Prepping in Progress, Manifestation of Imagination. That's Reed's channel. And DIY Solar. Okay, kids? And that'll be it. I'll catch you later after the weekend.